How about you having a presentation that looks like this? It's cool, right? Yeah. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we drop stunning and amazing PowerPoint presentation and also unveiling the tricky part of PowerPoint. Let's just dive in. Let's dive into it. As usual, always make sure your slides, the layout is blank. Then insert this. Okay, make sure it covers almost cover the whole of the slide, something like this. All right, you can just make it a regular one. Okay, all right. And you can as well do a rotation in this format. All right, we still need to enlarge it more. Okay, this format, in this format. Okay, let's move it back a bit because I want this. All right, something like this. Change the color to black. Change it to black. Insert an icon, a flashlight icon. I just okay, a flashlight icon like this. Okay, now I want to change the color of the field. Let's say I choose, I think red. Red is better. Okay, can make it a bit bigger like this. Turn it such that it's going to be aligned with the shape like this. Like this. Then select the two inserted shapes and icon. Then Ctrl G, group them. Then insert text box, insert a text box and come in with your write up. I say money, money making terminal, money making terminal. Okay, as usual, I might just want to go in with my Epson, as usual, my Epson. Okay, just like this, and I want to format it. See, here black, align center, center. Okay, let it be a bit, let it be a bit bold. So control A. All right, let me just format this. All right, right. Then you duplicate the slide, rotate the shape, and insert your text. All right, having done this, then the three, select the three slides, go to transition, apply move transition. Okay, we've applied move transition. Let's do a preview. Let's do a preview. All right. Okay. Are we seeing this? Lovely. But there's something we need to do. There's something we need to do. What we need to do is, let's go to the first slide. Let's select this. Let's go to animation. Let's go to fading. Then let's select, sorry, fly in. Let's select a direction from left, and let's select it to do to happen after previous. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Remember, control A, control A. Say flying in. This time around is from left, is from right to left. All right, I will say after the previous. So let's do this. Let's do this thing. All right, let us see our final work. Let's do it from the beginning. See this. Voila. Isn't this nice? Isn't this beautiful? All right. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also give us a like, give us a thumbs up, encourage what we do, and thank you for always being there for us. Also, turn on the notification button, which can be the first to see our content whenever we drop them. Thank you. See you in another episode. Bye.